Hey everyone, welcome back to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to recover Roblox password. I wonder why you want to know how to recover Roblox password. Maybe because you have lost your password and now you want to get back to your account and you don't know your password. You have forget it and now you're trying to get into your account and you couldn't do that. Or there could be any other reason for you to get to know how to recover a Roblox password. Or whatever the reason it could be for you, in this video I'll show you how easily you can recover Roblox password. Also, I will try to leave written instructions in the description so you can check that as well. First, you have to make sure that you have Roblox app in your mobile phone. In case you don't have, you can still install it from Google Play Store or App Store. Once the app get installed, make sure you have created your account on it. Now just simply tap on the icon of the Roblox app to open it. The app will just take a while to load, and once it's done with its loading, you will land onto this page. At the top, you will see the icon of the Roblox and you will see two options. You have to go with the second option, login. Once you get there, first you will see your username. In case you couldn't find one, you can type yours. And instead of adding the password, we have to go for another option which is at the middle, or you could say down a page. This option, forget password or username, just simply tap onto this option. Now here it will again take a while and get you to this page. First you have to click onto this password option, which is under password or username forget. So now here you have to add your contact number that you used when you created your account on Roblox, so that it could send a verification code to your account, and with the help of that you can get back your account. In case you have used an email, then tap onto it and add email that you used to create your account so that it could send a verification mail to your email address, and with the help of that you can get back your account. Once you enter your email and submit, it will show you like this, that the email has been sent to your mail. So just go to your mailbox and there you will find a mail, and there you will also see this option which says reset password. Here you could say this option is in white color, this one. So just simply tap onto it. Now it will take you to the browser version of the Roblox. Here you have to create a new password. First you have to create a new password and then you have to again type it to confirm it. Make sure you make a strong and a password that you could remember for the next time. Once you add your password, just simply click onto this submit option. Now it will save your this password as your new password. So again it will log in on the web version, and now if you want to log in on the app, just go to the app, add your username and the password that you just created, and then you will be able to get back to your account. So this was the easiest way I know through which you can recover your Roblox password. If you know any other way of doing it, so let me know in the comment section below. Also make sure to subscribe the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates, and thank you for watching the video.